What is going on YouTube? It's Ron Demick and I'm back again today with another video. So as you know, on this channel I find you guys high paying remote job opportunities, side hustles, and more as it pertains to online income streams and things of that nature. So today what I'm going to talk about is a little bit about affiliate marketing. So if you guys are tuning in to my channel probably about 2 weeks ago, you saw that I posted a video about the Temu affiliate program and how you could earn up to $100,000 with the Temu affiliate program. So in this video, I just decided to talk a little bit more about affiliate marketing for those who are not familiar with what affiliate marketing is and how it actually works. So let's dive right into it. So basically, affiliate marketing has been around on the internet for a very long time, dating back probably to the early 90s, around that time period. So in a nutshell, what affiliate marketing is when a company pays you to promote their product or services, and then you get a commission when you have successfully made a sale for that product or service. So the company will give you a cut basically for selling that product or service. So affiliate marketing mainly entails using the internet to find leads for if it's a service-based business, you find leads for that business, or if it's a product, you can use the internet to sell that product and make a commission off of that sale. So basically, to get into affiliate marketing, you'll have to find a company that has a product or service, and if they actually have an affiliate program available for that product or service, you could join that affiliate program and start to earn yourself some pretty decent money with that company. So there are a lot of different affiliate programs out there, but I wanted to just mention some niches that are known to be evergreen. Evergreen meaning that they will be around for a long time. So it's not a overnight thing or a fly-by-night niche that you'll be here next month and going by next. So it's not a fad or a trend. So most evergreen niches in affiliate marketing have mostly to do with anything that has to do with health, wealth, or relationships. So those three niches right there are the most sought after and profitable niches in affiliate marketing. So if you're going to get into affiliate marketing, you want to keep your eyes on those three niches, which I think are very profitable and that you should target. And like I mentioned, they're pretty much evergreen niches, so you want to go after them. So how do you actually promote your affiliate offers? So there are various ways that you can promote affiliate offers. Like I was mentioned earlier, affiliate marketing mainly involves online marketing. So you could do things such as posting in Facebook groups. You could do search engine optimization. You could do blogging. You could do vlogging, or you could run paid ads. So those are some of the ways that you could get started in affiliate marketing, basically in promoting the product or services that you're going to be selling for the company. So those are some of the main ways. So which one is best for you? I would say it all boils down to your area of expertise, and what you know how to do would determine which would be the best promotional method that you'd use in promoting the product or service in affiliate marketing. So if you're a beginner, what I'd recommend is basically trying the different promotional methods first to see which one works for you and which one you could master. So you don't want to be all over the place doing this, doing that. To me personally, you just want to stick to a promotional method that you know that works for you and that you can master, and basically just keep learning more and how to get better at that promotional method, and just stick to that particular method that works for you. Because like anything in life, you want to do what is working for you. You don't want to drift off into something that's not going to work and stuff like that. So now, with promotions, some methods are free and some methods you're going to have have a budget to get started with. So the free methods are most likely blogging, vlogging, posting in the Facebook groups, and if you have a website, you could do your search engine optimization. Things such as making sure keywords show up for whatever product you're product or service that you're promoting on the website, on your website. So you want to have those on your website so it shows up in the search engines, things of that nature. So, and also posting like Facebook groups, that's another free method. So the paid methods are basically running ads. So this could involve placing ads on Google, Bing, or you could also do Instagram ads, and other platforms have ads such as like Reddit and which other one? Yeah, Reddit does, one of them has ads, and like platforms such as LinkedIn, stuff like other social networks have platforms, and YouTube also you could run ads. So those are paid methods. So the difference between paid methods and free methods are that some of the times the free methods takes a little bit more a lot bit more work and a little bit more time to see the results versus the paid methods, which are running ads. You could almost see a result instantaneously, and you could basically see your return on your ad spend in a very short amount of time. So that's mainly the difference between running paid ads and free promotional methods. So basically that's the gist of what affiliate marketing is. So I just wanted to make this video for you guys that are beginners, or who are curious about what affiliate marketing is and what it entails. So that's basically what it is in a nutshell. So if you want to find some good affiliate programs that you can be a part of, I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, so you could go ahead and check out that website, and you could find programs that you could promote and get started on your affiliate marketing journey. So I do want to thank you guys for tuning in here on the channel with me at Rondemic. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll definitely see you guys on the next one. Have a good one.